The most powerful lead magnets I've seen. I'm going to use the online marketing niche as our example to explain this technique. But keep in mind this could work equally well in other niches too. Consider this. When people have a specific problem that's driving them crazy, they'll do almost anything to fix that problem now. For example, a bride-to-be has an acne outbreak the day before her wedding. What wouldn't she do to fix her problem? A woman is in immediate danger of losing her job. What wouldn't she do to convince her boss not to fire her? Parents are losing their child to alcohol. What wouldn't they do to save their child? Their need is great and immediate. Do you think they might pay to find the solution? Of course. Do you think they would enter their email address into an opt-in form to get the solution? You bet they would. So how do we use this knowledge in a niche such as online marketing? Simple. If you pay attention to forums and blogs, you'll notice there's always some sort of online marketing crisis. For example, Google changed how they rank websites. And now thousands of online marketers are losing tons of money. Think they might like the solution? PayPal is suddenly seizing accounts without warning and freezing the funds. Would the account owners like an answer on how to unfreeze their accounts? Would everyone else like to know how not to get their accounts frozen? You bet. Facebook just changed, fill in the blank. And now marketers are unable to fill in the blank. Or maybe they're banned, or Aweber just did the unthinkable, and marketers everywhere are freaking out. XYZ hosting site just got hacked, big time. Websites are down and backups are missing, what to do? The list goes on and on. Keep tabs on the forums and you'll find a new crisis every month and often every week. As you've probably already guessed, your lead magnet is going to offer the solution to the latest marketing crisis. Just imagine how fast marketers will give you their email address when you have the answer they desperately want now. Right about now you're asking, but how am I going to find the solution when they can't? Good old-fashioned research, that's how. Go to the help sections of the websites involved in the latest crisis and find out everything you can. If possible, call the website and ask all the questions you need to ask. Hit the chatrooms and forums and glean all the helpful info that is available. If you find an expert who knows what he's talking about, do a quick phone interview. Timing is everything on this, and you have got to act fast. If the crisis hits on Monday, ideally you want your lead magnet up no later than Tuesday, to take full advantage of the tsunami of new leads you're going to get. And by the way, when you've got the solution everyone is desperately looking for, what does that make you? The trusted expert and authority, that's who. Do you think people will open and read your future emails? You bet your life they will. Now here's the trick to getting your squeeze page in front of as many of these marketers as possible. Outsource people to search out forums and threads where marketers are talking about this problem. If someone is looking for help, that's where you want to link to your solution. Have your outsourcers post a link to your squeeze page offering them the answer they seek. Yes, it's that easy. Oftentimes that thread and even your post offering your lead magnet will end up on page 1 of Google for that particular search. Not bad, right? And here's the best part, your opt-in rate will be sky high. It will almost certainly top any squeeze page you currently have. One more thing. If you want to take this just one step further, it can blow wide open. Get podcasters to interview you, and do guest posts on as many blogs as possible. Think about it, this problem is all over the online marketing community. What podcaster or blog owner doesn't want to have someone with a solution to offer their listeners and readers? Just one post on a major blog or podcast can result in 1,000 subscribers in 48 hours. Remember to position your solution not just as the answer to the problem, but also as the way to avoid the problem for all those who aren't already experiencing it. This way you'll be able to grab not only the marketers looking for a solution, but also everyone else who wants to avoid this headache. Wealth loves speed. Now go find the latest crisis, research the solution and start building that list. Subscribe for more.